Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this share Tata Motors. As we analyzed this share yesterday, we told you that as soon as this stock will go below 318, there will be no coming back for this stock, and it will hit the target of 306 rupees, 306.3 rupees on intraday or in coming sessions. What happened? The stock went down below 318, and as soon as it went below 318, it made a low of 310, almost 8 rupees, around 2.5%. Our target was almost 3% on intraday or in coming session, but we hit the target of 2.5% in one single day. What can happen tomorrow? Let's analyze this stock again. So if you will see this pattern, then you will actually find that this stock is actually making this inverted flag sort of a pattern, and if this gets activated tomorrow and the stock goes below today's low 309 308, then it can give you a target of 306.3 also. And one more thing can happen: if the stock takes resistance at 380 rupees again, 318 rupees again, then also you can think of selling this stock for the target of 306 rupees. Why 318 is important? Just look at this stock in 30-minute time frame. If you will see, this is the swing low and this is the swing high for Tata Motors, and if the stock is making this sort of a inverted flag kind of a pattern, it will come and retest the 318 rupees level. And if it fails to cross this level of 318 and makes a low below 317, 16, 15, then also you can consider selling this stock for the target of 306 rupees or even 294 rupees. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Tata Motors. Thank you for watching.